Good morning, students. So today I am going to start the new exercise, that is exercise 14.3. So in that first question is that carry out the following divisions. So far you learned about the multiplication of the algebraic terms, but today we are going to study about the division of the algebraic terms. Okay, students. So how to solve all these? All of you see here. First term you write it upside. Okay, that is 28 x raised to 4, and this one 56x. Okay, so this one I am going to write in this upside down side like this. Okay, students. So now, so this one write in the expanded form, that is 28 into x is how many times here? That is 4 times. That is x into x into x into x. 1 2 3 4. Next 56 into x. Okay, students. So the next here we have to simplify, that is 28 ones are 28 twos are, and the next 1x and 1x cancelled here. How much left here? X into x into x. How many x here? There are 3x, that is x raised to 3 divided by 3. Sorry, x raised to 3 divided by 2. X raised to 3 divided by 2. See here, x, and it after adding the powers, how much comes? It is x raised to 3 comes na, and downside here we have 2, that is x raised to 3 divided by 2. Okay, so this is the answer, students. X raised to 3 divided by 2. Next, see the third one, students. All of you here, that is 66p q square r cube divided by 11q r square. Okay, students. So the next here, this 66 write as it is p into q is how many times here? 2 times. That is q into q, and r is how many times? It is 3 times. R into r into r. Next 11 into q into r into r. Now 11 ones are 11 six are. Okay, students. So the next here downside p is no there, only q and r only exist here. Okay, so 1q cancelled here, and for 2r cancelled. What left upside? See, students, here 6 left, p left. Okay, and 1q left and 1r left, and downside no left here. Only the answer is how much, students? Here 6pqr is the answer. See the fifth round, students. All of you here, that is 12 a raised to 8 b raised to 8 divided by minus 6 a raised to 6 b raised to 4. Okay, so here I expand the given term, that is 12. A is 8 times, that is here a into a into a into a, like that. Okay, into a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and b is how many times? It is 8 times. Okay, b into b into b into b into b. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Just a minute, students. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to here a. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next here downside minus 6 into a 6 times. Okay, a 6 times. A next b 4 times. Okay, b 4 times. Now see, students, here 6 ones are 6 twos are. For 4a for 6 a's, 6 a's cancelled, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 a's cancelled, and for b, for 4 b's, 4b cancelled. What left upside? See, students, upside, before that we are going to do the first do the division of the sign here, that is plus division minus, minus comes 2 right as it is, and upside here we have only 2 a's, that is a square, and here we have only 3 b's, that is b raised to 3. See students, here actually one small mistake happens here. Downside here, how many b's here? 4 b's, and here we cancelled 5. Okay students, so therefore here 1 2 3 4, only here up to 4 we have to cancel, because downside we have only 4 b's, na? That's why for 4b cancelled, and upside how much left here? 4b left, that is b raised to 4. So this is the answer for the fifth problem students. So I hope all of you understood all these. The first question contains total 5 problems. I solved 3, and remaining 2 problems, they are the homework for all of you. Next, see the second problems of second question students, all of you here, that is divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. Here we have to divide the given polynomial by a monomial. Okay, see here. First one, you write upside down, so that is 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. Okay students, so the next here, from the upside students, which one is the common, we have to remove it outside. So regarding the number 5 6, they not comes in the same table. Okay, let it. Now regarding the variables, here we have x square and here we have x. It means here we have only x common in both these terms. Okay, remove it outside, and the remaining right inside the bracket, that is 5x minus 6. Understood students? Here when I removed this x from both these terms, because it is a common. Okay, so only left inside, that is 5x minus 6, and downside you write as it is. Understood students? So the next here, this x cancels, so the answer is how much comes? It is 5x minus 6 divided by 3 is the answer students. So this much only. See the third question students, all of you here, that is 8. For the first students, you have to write upside downside like this. Okay, upside downside right, and next here we have to make the simplification. So this 8 write as it is students. See here in this first term, x square y square z square is there, x cube y square z square is there, and here x square y cube z square is there, and here x square y square z cube is there. So which one is the common students? Here we have to remove it outside. See here, x square, here the highest power is 3, that is regarding the x. Okay, x here has the highest power as a 3, and lowest is how much? It is a 2. In this term also highest is 2, and in this term also highest is 2 of the power of the x. So remove it outside. So this is regarding the x. Next, what about y? Lowest is 2 and highest is 3. It means lowest here we have to remove. And next, regarding the z square, z square, z square, z cube. Lowest is z square, and remove it outside. And in remaining, you have to write inside the bracket. That is, if you removed x square from x, what left? X left. Okay. And in this, if you remove x square, y square, z square, what left here? Only y left, and here only z left. Then this one write as it is, x square, y square, z square. See students here, 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So for this cancel. So the answer is 2 into bracket x plus y plus z. Okay students. Now see the fifth one students, all of you here, that is p cube q raised to 6 minus p6 q3 divided by p3 q3. Okay, and next here we have to remove the common. Common is p3 and q3. Okay, and inside what left here? q3 minus p3 left. Okay students, and downside p3 q3. Okay, so for this cancelled, how much comes? It is only Q3 minus P3 is the answer. So this second question contains total 5 problems. Here I also solved 3 problems, and remaining 2 problems, they are the homework for all of you students. So I hope all of you understood all these problems. Tomorrow I will meet you with a new question. I mean problems of new question. Thank you. Have a nice day.